On March 8, 2014, a state-of-the-art Boeing 777 took off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport at 12:41 a.m., bound for Beijing. The weather was clear. The crew was experienced. The passengers were from 14 different countries. Everything about flight MH370 seemed routine, until it vanished. Here's where it gets strange. Roughly 40 minutes into the flight, while transitioning from Malaysian to Vietnamese airspace, MH370's transponder, the system that identifies the aircraft to radar, was suddenly turned off. Not failed, not glitched, manually switched off. Then, without a word from the cockpit, the plane veered sharply off course. And yet, it kept flying. Malaysian military radar picked it up again, this time heading back across the Malay Peninsula. MH370 didn't just disappear. It took a detour, not toward its destination, but toward the Indian Ocean, one of the most remote areas on Earth. For 7 more hours, MH370 likely stayed in the air, pinging an Inmarsat satellite every hour. That's how we know it probably ended its flight somewhere in the southern Indian Ocean, far from any land, deep beneath the waves. But here's what truly unsettled investigators. There was no mayday, no distress call, no verified debris for over a year, no confirmed motive. And the final flight path, it looks deliberate. The official search scoured over 120,000 square kilometers of ocean floor. It was the largest, most expensive underwater hunt in history. And yet, nothing conclusive was ever found. Even the flaperon found on Reunion Island a year later only confirmed what many feared. The aircraft had broken up in the ocean. But why it got there remains a blank page. Some suspect a hijacking, others point to a possible cockpit takeover. A few even whisper theories of electronic warfare or espionage. And yet in a world with satellites, radar, and global surveillance, a 200-ton jet vanished like a ghost. MH370 isn't just a missing plane. It's a riddle buried under technology, silence, and time. A reminder that even in the 21st century, the sky still has secrets.